Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. My name is Bonnie Leonardo, and I am your host. Today's topic deals with who gets possession of the marital home during the divorce proceedings. So, who gets to live in the home during your divorce? The most important thing that I want to emphasize to you in regards to this topic is that although I understand that it's very difficult for couples who are contemplating or beginning a divorce to live in the same house during this time, it is important to note that you cannot kick your spouse out of the home during the divorce, even if the title and the loan are in your name alone. So just because your spouse has signed a quitclaim deed does not mean that you can keep him or her out of the home during the divorce. The judge still can award temporary possession of the home to the spouse who does not have his or her name on title or on the loan. And the judge can do this as a temporary measure during the pendency of the divorce proceedings. So please think twice before changing the locks and kicking your spouse out of the home during your divorce proceedings. The issue of who gets to keep the home does get resolved, but it usually happens towards the end of your divorce proceedings, usually around the last one or two hearings of your divorce case. And so this is determined by the judge of who gets to keep the home, and it depends on whether the judge deems the property to be a community property or a separate property. And so if the judge deems the property to be separate, the person who is deemed to have ownership of the property at the end of the divorce will get to keep the home. If the property is deemed to be a community property asset, then if the couples cannot agree as to how to divide this property or who is to stay in the home, the judge may force the sale of the home and then whatever equity is left be divided between the couple. This is a very simplistic explanation regarding this issue, so I think that it is best for you, if you are dealing with this issue, to discuss this with an attorney so that you can make the right decisions for your case and you do not hurt yourself by doing something that could be used against you in your divorce. Again, I urge you to please talk to someone, an attorney, or give me a call, or go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com if you have this situation and you would like me to discuss your specific situation more in depth to give you a better idea of what you can and cannot do to avoid hurting your divorce case. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.